Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking in prerequisites that directly affect server luck: low player counts, stable ping, and a clean client. First, pick a low traffic time slot. This reduces competition and race conditions. Next, make sure your network is stable. Wired is best, but 5 GHz Wi-Fi works. Aim for under 100 milliseconds. Finally, disable extra plugins and background downloads so the game handles spawning consistently. Once done, you'll be ready to take the first actionable step toward favoring the server's luck mechanics. Now you execute a repeatable routine that nudges RNG in your favor. Join, observe for 15-20 seconds, then leave and rejoin every 60 to 90 seconds to cycle spawn pools. Use the same character loadout and enter zones in the same order. Consistent input creates small deterministic biases the game systems can echo. Monitor server population numbers, ping, and chat for community patterns. These cues tell you when to push or pause. Make sure to log attempts so you can compare outcomes and refine timing. Finish by committing when the pattern favors you. If similar spawns or drops appear twice, lock into that server and stop cycling. Don't exceed 10 quick rejoins. Diminishing returns and potential rate limits kick in. If you experience desync or odd behavior, clear the client cache and fully restart the game, then reapply the same routine. Keep a simple log of attempts and outcomes. If you get 1 to 2 successes per hour, your method is working. Troubleshoot by isolating variables: network, plugins, or timing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.